Hello and welcome back to our new video, and in this video I'll show you how to create Weverse account in your mobile phone. For that, just go and open your Weverse app, and after a few seconds you will see this kind of interface. We don't have our account, so we cannot tap on this login, and here we are so what we can do is new to Weverse and sign up, tap there. You need to do, and here you can see four options. I'm going with the Google one, so I'm tapping here, and now after that I can see my Google accounts. Tap on the one I am using to create account, and then you need to select your country or region. I'm from this country, and I will select this one and tap on next. And these are three must-have consent, and this is optional. I must be over 16 years. I'm giving full consent for signing up and content, and also I'm giving full consent to use Weverse, and tap on this sign up now. After that I have successfully signed up, and then we need to tap on this start and then OK, and alerts and after that you need to select your language. I'm going on with this English, and then OK. This is how we create Weverse account. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions or queries, just let us know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.